Brianna's tooth. Can I see it? Show it right here.
I got it there.
Show it. Show it. Oh my god. Here, show some more. So that's Brianna's first tooth that's ready to come out. And Daddy's gonna try to take it out right now. Come over here. Hello, Bryson. Come on, Brian. Babe.
Dad, could you do it a little bit gentle?
Babe, show it again. Oh my goodness. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Brianna's first tooth is going to come out right now, hopefully, if she'll let me. Bria, let's see your
Babe,
tooth.
show it, Brian.
Don't pull
I
that
won't.
cord.
Show it, Brian.
Oh, God, just take it out.
Okay.
Put your finger and pull up.
Yep.
Pull up, straight up, straight up, straight up. Don't go.
It's blood!
Come on.
Make it smile. Smile.
Put it in. Put it right here. Put it on the napkin. Put it on there. Oh, look at that
Oh, poor
beautiful.
Bryson.
Look at that beautiful. Go look.
Tata, your auntie, no more tooth. Your auntie's missing tooth.
Okay.
Be smile, Bria, smile.
Let's go in here like this because this thumb's better for me.
Oh my god. Okay, go rinse your mouth. Rinse your mouth.
Like you get a little salt water and rinse your mouth. Let's go check it out.
Oh my god.
Okay, don't make a mess. Let me see. Rinse. You want me to clean your tooth off too? Let's clean the tooth off too, okay?
I'm bleeding!
Yes, I know, it'll bleed for a little bit.
I can't believe that comes out.
It came out. You sure took your time. You let it come out naturally all the way, didn't you?
Yeah, good job, Bria.
You wiggled it a lot.
Good job. What you gonna do with your tooth?
Baby whistle.
Yeah, baby whistle. You gonna put it under your pillow?
You gonna put under your pillow?
Yeah, where's
With your
my
knife?
tooth again?
I got it, but don't lose it.
Could it go one?
Can I let it dry out over here?
Yeah, but-
Maybe I'll put it in hydrogen peroxide or something.
Smile, Bria, smile.
I'll put it in a little hydrogen peroxide and you can have it after it dries out, okay?
Oh my
Alright.
god.
You go.
How it feels. Your teeth is missing. How it feels.
Weird.
Weird.
Rhea, just drop your tooth in here. Okay, just drop it in there. Good. I'll just put this in here.
What is that?
Just a hydrogen peroxide, and we'll come back later and dry it out, and then you can put it under your pillow, okay? All right.
Come over here. Hello, Bryson. Wait, what you gonna do with your teeth tonight?
Put it under the pillow.
And
Go and the tooth fairy would come. Give me trade of money.
tooth fairy is gonna God fairy or tooth fairy?
Tooth fairy.
A tooth fairy is gonna trade it for money?
Yeah.
Do you think she's gonna put money in your
Yeah.
under your pillow?
Yeah, but what if she just gives me money and a surprise?
I don't know. How much do you think the money is she's gonna put?
I don't know.
Nice.
Maybe.
Surprise?
I don't know. I hope it's just a toy.
Babe, can I see? You're so cute. You're missing tooth right now.
Actually, I look kind of weird. I went and looked in the mirror.
Hey, listen, you want to go? I'm going to go see my dentist next week, like in 2 weeks. And when we go there, we're all going to go. Do you want to go see Dr. Wayne again?
Yeah, I want my balloon.
She'll give you a nice balloon at the Green Apple Dental.
Yeah, mine already popped in the Sunday church.
Plus, you know what? We'll just show her your little tooth. And then maybe she'll look at your teeth and clean your teeth or something. Okay?
You're gonna be. Are you ready for that? You're gonna clean up your teeth?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you've seen her once before, so it's good. It's been a year just for fun.
Yeah.
Because it's good to do. She likes you. Plus, you get a balloon. Okay, sounds good. That's the plan. First part of September, we'll be back in Cebu.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sad. My daughter has missing tooth now. She's growing old. Oh no! Smile, Bria, smile. Yeah. How about you, Bryson? Show me your teeth. Come on, Bryson. Show me your teeth. Bryson, smile.
Guys, he has no teeth.
You have no teeth, Bryson? Eh?
Rise and shine, Bria. You excited?
Yeah.
Why?
What's that?
Where's your tooth?
Where's your your tooth?
Did you put your tooth under there last night?
Yeah.
Oh.
Where did it go?
The tooth fairy talking.
Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth. There you go. Oh, what do you got? 100 pesos.
Hey, fantastic.
Look at the man's face.
You got a note from the Tooth Fairy? How many kids get notes from the Tooth Fairy? You must have been special.
Don't read this part.
Dear Brianna, thank you for the gorgeous little tooth I found under your pillow last night. It will be one of the best in my collection. You know, the Tooth Fairy has lots of teeth. Not all boys and girls get a letter from me, but you're my favorite today. And I wanted to tell you that I'm really pleased to see you're doing a great job looking after your teeth. Have you been brushing good?
Yeah, and actually, I dropped my tooth on the floor, then I washed it.
And then you wash it after it fell out. That's very good. It's nice teeth like yours that make the best smiles. I love you. Be a good girl always. Lots of love from the Tooth Fairy. Oh, look at that Tooth Fairy right there. Oh, she's a pretty one, that Tooth Fairy.
I did not wash my tooth. I just washed my tooth when I dropped it on the floor.
Yeah.
That's a good letter from Tooth Fairy, Bria.
Yeah.
Hello everybody. So today I'm gonna feed Bryson. I boiled this sweet potato and after that I blend it. So this is how it look like. Bryson is already eating his solid food. It's like 2 weeks ago already. So I mash it like this. He eats already mashed banana, a boiled squash, and I mash it like this. Also apple, I boiled it also, and he really loves it. It's really mashed also. And regular potato. But he did not like the carrots, so I have to stop the carrots.
Yeah.
But I have to keep trying it too. But for now, his favorite so far is sweet potatoes and the regular potato, and also the apple and the banana. But the sweet potato is the best, his favorite one. Okay, Bryson, are you ready to eat? Oh, are you excited? You gonna cry? Huh? Sit down properly. There, look, look. Yummy. Is it yummy, Tata? Is it yummy?
Wait, sorry. Is it yummy?
Is it yummy, Ta? Yeah.
So yummy. Don't hit the camera, boy. Lipstick. This is. Don't wipe that on me.
Yummy. And there's Brianna too. And we have Pearl with us, Brianna's friend. She's always here with us during the weekends and no school day.
Yeah, and even it's a weekend lesson day, so she came over. Listen. So yummy, isn't it?
Okay, Bria, try. Open your mouth.
You feed that to Pearl.
Show your teeth. Come over here and show your teeth. There's Brianna's teeth. Pagas.
Hey, you're going.
And Bryson gonna drink some water.
Good afternoon. Wait, Sean face. 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 What do you know? Ma'am. You're my boyfriend. I'm only crazy because he's my boyfriend. He's not.
So Bryson loves water.